So the second question is, write an SQL query to find the customer who have transacted in October but not in September, right? So if you see in invoice data, we have details for month of September and October, right? So I have kept only 2 months data. So the question was customer who have transacted in October, right? So if you see this, for example, this 101, right? The 101 customer has transacted in October, but if 101 has transacted in September, we want to exclude it. So here 101 has only transacted in October, so the output should contain 101, but 102, because 102 has transacted in October, yes, but also transacted in September, so I want this to be excluded, right? So again, please pause the video, guys. If you want to try it out, please try it out. Now we'll be solving the question, right? I'll again go to workbench. Okay, I'll create a new tab. Well, I'll just zoom it a bit so that it is clear. Again, I'll just select the table, right? So e-commerce sales, and I'll just write select star to show you how the value looks like. So we have the same thing that we saw in the PowerPoint. We have this. So the question was, if the customer has transacted in October but not in September, right? So for that, we'll be creating two CTE basically with queries, right? So first query is, we'll create all the customer who have transacted in October, right? So to do that, so select, I'll use distinct function here because few customers have multiple orders. Select distinct customer from the table where month of, so you can use month of, right? Month of invoice date is 10, right? So this will give us, so if I just run this query, it will give all the customers who have transacted in October, right? So I'll just run this. So 101, 102. So all the customers, because the output has 7 rows, right? So all the customer present in table have transacted in October. So I'll give this as with CTE October, right? And as close parenthesis, and I'll create similar to another CT basically, and I'll name it as CT September. So I'll just use 9 over here. So close parenthesis. Okay. So if I just run select star from CT September, so it will only have the customer IDs who have transacted, right, in September. So 102, 104, 105. So we want to exclude these customers, right, in the output. So if you check the question was, write an SQL code to find the customer who have transacted in October but not in September, right? So now I'll add the final query. Okay, so to do that, I'll select from CT October. So this will have all the October data. So we'll use a where function. So where CT October, so the customer ID not in, and then we will select customer ID from CT September. So what this will do is, it will exclude all the customers that are present in September, and the final output will be select, and we have already done distinct, so no need to do distinct, select customer ID, right? So if I just run this query, it will give the output 101, 103, 6 and 7, because all the other 3 customer IDs, right, so they have transacted in month of September. I hope this is clear.